Hey, this is Ron Jacobs back at the ModSoftCon 2006 in Las Vegas. I'm joined now by Malik Khan. And Malik, now you're one of the module developers. One of these guys is trying to make a living, writing modules in .NET Nuke and whatnot. Tell me a little bit about your modules, or is there one, or is there 10, or what are you doing?
We basically have about 3 modules.
Yeah.
Our main business is hosting, so we do hosting based on the Microsoft technology.
Yeah.
But our model is based on vertical solutions.
Okay.
So we target specific industries like nonprofits, healthcare, and a few other industries, and just deliver packaged solutions in a vertical manner to a specific industry. So our modules are not being sold as a public solution. It's just private to solutions that we know we have expertise in.
Oh, okay. So you got a whole package offering. You go to a nonprofit. You go like, hey, here's our nonprofit package. We host it for you.
Exactly.
Got the whole thing.
Right.
Okay, and so you've developed some modules to support your package.
Exactly.
Are you using modules that then other people developed as well?
Yes. We have some of the people that represent some of the companies here today too.
Yeah.
We use some of their modules in the solution as well.
Oh, okay.
Correct.
Okay. And so now, how do you relate to this whole Flatburger thing?
Mainly, the Flatburger solution is going to help our company as far as bring in, additional customer base by providing the solution towards other channels, such as, let's say, a cable provider wants to get into the SaaS, business, but then we have these package solutions that we say, hey, you can offer your small business customers a website package that is already pre-packaged, is already built in, has all the tools they need to operate their websites. Why don't you go out there and, offer it to them as a SaaS product? And, it gives us exposure to be able to grow our business with more client base. Also gives the DSL or cable provider access to a solution that they can, give as a value-added solution to their existing customer base.
So you think the network providers are really, in the old days it was like, well, we'll give you some web hosting space, go slap your HTML files up there, and that was enough.
Right.
And now people are like, well, I don't know how to do HTML,
Exactly.
and I've got to have more value than that. And so you're seeing people asking for more?
Definitely. I think it's in the hosting market, it's really tough right now because everybody's fighting for, we'll give you 20 gigs of space, we'll give you 10 gigs of space. And, trying to fight the pricing wars and the space wars, everybody's doing that. So now you have to go, hey, look, we'll give you space, but on top of that, we also have a solution that will meet your business needs. So the customer will feel a lot more comfortable knowing that you have them in mind versus just, we'll rent your space and you can do whatever you want with it. Because most of them, honestly, they don't really know what to do with the space. They'll probably shop around for somebody to help them put use to it, build a site for them. But now you're offering them a package solution where you say, we'll give you space, but also we'll give you something to make use of that space.
And so are you seeing, are customers comfortable with this, though? Are they comfortable, yeah, I'll put all my business data on your server out in the network somewhere, and do they worry about that?
Well, some may, but I think what Flatburger is doing in this situation is actually giving the customer a lot more, confidence in having somebody else host their data because, with the module certification program, with the testing, our products make sure they're secure, they're scalable. So now we say, hey, we have the solution, but look, it's also been tested by a third party and it's certified. It has their logo on there. If you don't trust the provider, you can go to this third party company and ask them, hey, is it safe for us to buy this product? Because you said that it was great. You guys tested it. So with the Flatburger program, I think it's an excellent process to help us grow.
That's a good point because just the other day, I was thinking about buying a product on the web. It's just a little dumb thing, but I searched the message boards of this company, and I saw messages like, doesn't anybody ever read this message board? Is anybody out there? Hello, somebody fix this. And I thought, I do not want to buy from these guys,
Definitely.
because you could see what was happening in their customers.
Right.
But a lot of people, don't know to do that, and so you worry because you don't know sometimes even where these companies are, what part of the world they're in,
Exactly.
or there's no phone number to call anybody, especially with the smaller companies. So having that third-party endorsement really helps.
It definitely does. It gives you an extra layer of, confidence to be able to say, hey, our product can do this because it has been tested, it has been secured. Other people have looked at it besides just one eye. So it's really a great model.
Wow. Well, thanks so much, Malik, for stopping by.
No problem. Thank you for having me.
All right.